October 25th, 2023, new single family project. Yes, it's almost Halloween, but the tombstone is more for the trees. So the building permit, demo permit, 233 North Garfield. You can see all the trees, and they have X's on them, so they're gonna come out. You can see it's probably 120 foot deep lot. All these trees have X's on them. Big, huge oaks with massive canopy. It's gonna be history, and it's very, 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 very sad. The brick house has already been ripped down, and there's nothing we can do. And you hear the bird song. You see what they've already ripped out for the undergrowth and some of the trees. It's just sickening.